My name is Ty Summers. I'm a Senior Project Engineer here at Exhibition Station. So the process for the canopy construction started off with foundation works, getting our temporary blocks, and from there we had our structural steel come through and frame out the canopy, which consisted of about 1,100 individual steel members and 6,700 bolts. Once it's all installed and verified, we moved on to our glazing, and from there we completed our roof sheeting and our fascia for the install. So the decision was made to modularise this canopy because it'll help us with our program. It'll save about 3 months. The canopy will be lifted up to about 12 to 13 metres, just so we do get clearance over the overheads. So for me, that really ticks the boxes.
Matt Lawton's my name. I'm the site manager here at Exhibition Station. Yeah, so the installation of this northernmost canopy here at Exhibition Station, it all started on the ground. So we actually constructed the canopy as you see it now on the ground on some concrete blocks. Now the lift itself, it was done with a 400-tonne crane that we had to build down in place down here in the R&A Showgrounds. So we built that, and then when we lifted this particular piece in the air here, this one here was 28 tonne, it was around 35 metres long. And we got that floating, and when everyone was happy that it was to a level that we could actually lift the thing with all the weights correct and final sign-off being done, we actually lifted it into place and everything aligned perfectly. The actual install process itself only took 6 shifts, so it was a combination of 3 days and 3 nights. That was a major one for us, obviously, and puts us in good stead to get to where we need to get to in 2024.